everyone, welcome back to Tech. Today I'm showing you a free automatic repair tool that can fix Windows problems instantly and boost your PC performance. If your computer is slow, lagging, crashing or showing random errors, this video is for you. Most people don't know this, but Windows has built-in repair tools that can fix 90% of system issues automatically. And the best part, you don't need to download anything. Let me show you how to repair your PC in just a few minutes. Step 1. Run System File Checker. Go to the Start menu and click on the search button and type cmd. Right click and run as administrator. Click Ask for the permission. Then after you have to type here sfc space /scan now. Scan now. Okay. And after hit enter. Now Windows will scan your system and repair corrupted files. This alone fixes slow boot, crashes, missing DLL files, and many random errors. This may take about 15 or more than 15 minutes depending on your computer speed. Okay, I'm going to quit here by pressing Ctrl C. Then after, step 2 is that run DISM repair. Okay, this repairs the Windows image if something is broken internally. How can you do that? It's like that same. You have to go to this command prompt with run as administrator. Then after you have to type D. After typing this command, then you have to click enter. Hit the enter button, and this command will take 5 to 10 minutes depending on your computer speed. After this, your system becomes the much more stable. Okay, I'm going to escape this. Then after step 3 is that Windows automatic troubleshooter. You can run troubleshooters and you can fix problem automatically. Okay, press Windows +I from the keyboard to open the setting tab. And after go to the systems, scroll down, you can find out here the troubleshoot. Click that and click the other troubleshooter, and you can find out so many options are here. If you are facing problem in Bluetooth, then click run. And after, it automatically runs and finds the error and fix the error automatically. Then after, step 4 is free Windows repair tool tweaking.com. First you have to go to Chrome browser, must connect it with internet, and after type tweaking tw and tweaking.com, then hit enter. And after, you can find out here complete Windows toolbox that repairs and optimizes your PC. You have to just download this free version. I've already downloaded and have run this program. So after running, you can find out here the shortcut form. Click OK. To open, click as per the permission. Please avoid checking all the needed files are in the program folder and haven't been corrupted. And this will repair registry errors, file formation, Windows services, system stability, and startup problems. Okay. And after, you can find out this interface. Here you have to click jump to repairs, and here you can find out all the types of repairs. Appreciate all repairs. This common repairs. This is for malware and cleanup repairs. Permission only and Windows update. Okay. You have to choose here. Reset all repairs. Wait a minute. And after is I understand and close the warnings. Click that. Then after, click the start repair. Okay. When you click the start tab here, it automatically fixes all the errors in your computer. Okay guys, after boost your performance, right click and after on with the ROM, then after type temp, clear the temporary file from here. Just press Ctrl A and delete. Yes, for the formation. Okay, you can type here the recent also. Hit enter. Enter A to select all, then delete. Now after pressing R, then type preface. Choose preface, click OK. Find out here some files, then right click and click all, select all, and delete. Okay, hence you can delete all the temporary files from your computer, and this makes your computer performance fast. Okay. The next is you can disable the startup apps. Press Windows I to open the setting. Then after you can find apps, click that apps, and here is startup apps. If you find out something you do not need, then I have to turn it off. I have turned off all the apps here. And after, you have to search disk cleanup here. What I have to do is type disk clean off, OK, and select all the boxes and click OK and click delete. And this also makes your computer more faster. Okay guys, and that's it. Your Windows is repaired, optimized, and running smoother. If this video helped you, then hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a faster computer. Thanks for watching this tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.